What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. Today I have some brand new job leads for you guys. You can actually work from home, beginner friendly jobs, and the pay here goes up to around $20 per hour. So you can actually make anywhere from around $16 to $20 per hour in these jobs. One of these jobs actually starts a bit higher, $18 per hour, and there's also a $500 incentive, and you need to start within the next 2 weeks. So that's something to consider. But again, if you're looking for a beginner friendly entry level type of job that doesn't really require a college degree, then these are some really good positions. This is at a company that I've covered before, but these are some brand new job leads or job listings that were just posted recently. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video so you can hear about all these new job leads. Now, before I jump right into the job leads for today, I just want to remind you guys of my second channel, which is the work from home channel. So these are going to be high paying entry level jobs as well as high paying advanced level jobs. So some of these will require a college degree, but not all. But most of these jobs are going to be high paying or higher than what you're probably used to finding. So for example, if you take a look at some of my recently posted videos, for example, this one right here, earn up to $27 per hour remotely as a clinical support specialist working from home, make around $4,000 per month working as a development operations associate, make $32 per hour working as a pet insurance sales agent, another work from home job. So if you go through here, you'll find that most of these jobs are high paying or higher than usual paying jobs. So if you are looking for a remote work from home job, this is all I cover on this channel, the work from home channel. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over, subscribe to that channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell there. That way you never miss out on when I post new videos or new job leads on that channel. Also, quickly, I want to remind you guys of the pro resume templates right here. These are professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be discarded or your job application won't be filtered out by this system. And now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So this will in turn help you land more interviews and then land more job offers. So if you are struggling with your resume, if you know your resume needs work, then this is a resource. Link is down below. Comes with 3 resume templates. Choose the one you like the most, or you can use them all. That's completely up to you. There are also matching cover letters here with instructions. So everything here comes broken down into sections, and each section has a paragraph or 2 of instructions on how you should customize it depending on the type of job you're applying for. So that is there. Also, you get matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can actually customize these templates using Google Docs, which is also free. No need to pay for any paid software, and link is down below. So if you need this resource, go ahead and check that out. Now, today I'm going to be covering a couple of jobs here at Omni Interactions. Again, this is a website or a company that I have covered before, but right now they have 3 new job listings. So these are customer service job listings here. 2 are US and 1 is for US, but it is in Hawaii. This one pays $18 per hour. There's also a $500 incentive. So if you do know someone that lives in Hawaii, you could forward this video to them so they can take a look at this job opportunity because they may just be interested. So first of all, let's look at the US based customer service job here. And this is going to be a customer service rep. This is US remote, meaning you can work from just about anywhere in the US. Now, cool thing here with Omni Interactions is that when you're working here, you work as an independent contractor. And so you actually have access to exclusive contracts. So you work from home and you do customer service for Omni's clients, and you get paid for doing so. And you'll be providing customer service over the phone by working tickets, by using chat, or even making outbound calls. So that is what you'll be doing here. Now, you can apply using this link. I'll leave the link down below, links to all 3 jobs. You can apply to any one you need. But for the application here, you will need to take an online assessment, which is about 15 minutes. and then if you meet the requirements after doing that assessment, then you will log into the online portal where you can view and apply to contracts that match your interest. And that's pretty much all you have to do here. So there's no real interview per se, you just need to pass that assessment. Now the schedule here is flexible, and that will be determined by the actual jobs that you choose to work on. However, most working hours will be during weekdays and during the daytime. And there's always the opportunity to create a work schedule that works best for you, since this is very flexible. Now for this particular position, the rate here is anywhere from $14 to $20 per hour, and pay is determined by your phone call status when assisting customers. Additional incentives available based on client and performance metrics. So even though it's only $14 to $20 per hour, you can actually make more here with incentives as well. Now, this is what they're looking for. They're looking for people that have exceptional written and verbal communication skills, proven track record in customer service and delivering outstanding customer care, keen attention to detail with strong problem-solving skills, friendly, empathetic tone and professional demeanor, self-motivated, proactive, and resourceful mindset. Also, technology requirements, these you need to have to be able to land a job here. So you do need a quiet and secure work environment during working hours. So this could be like a home office or just somewhere at home that is quiet and distraction free that you can work from. Also, a computer with a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Tablets and Chromebooks are not supported at this time. Wired USB headset with a microphone, high-speed wired internet connection, Windows 10 or 11. Some clients may accept Apple or a MacBook, so that is determined by the actual client. So you'll see that when you're applying for these jobs. Also, valid and up-to-date antivirus software installed. Smartphone, Android tablet, or iPad is required for work, along with authentication app rather. Windows 10 or 11 must be used. Again, some clients will accept Apple. If you don't have all the equipment here, you can check the link down below to my Amazon page. I do have some really good work from home equipment that I personally use myself, so you can check those out. They won't break the bank, but they're good quality, so that's there. Also, again, organized desk area and quiet and uninterrupted space. So don't really need a high school diploma, college degree, no experience needed here. You just need to pass an assessment to be able to land a job here at Omni Interactions, making $14 to $20 per hour working from home in customer service or as a customer service rep. Now, the next position they had listed was pretty much the same thing, but this was a Spanish bilingual role. So if you do speak Spanish and English, then this one would be better suited to you. And the pay rate here is still the same, $14 to $20 per hour. But again, additional incentives available based on client and performance metrics. So you may earn slightly more here for this bilingual position. As for the tech and equipment requirements, those will stay the same, and the required skills, those are going to be the same because it's essentially just the same job, just that you need to be bilingual for this one. And again, you need to be able to pass that assessment. Now, finally, the other opportunity here was in Hawaii, where you could work from home. This one pays $18 per hour, but there is a $500 incentive to start here. So that's a huge plus, and you can apply here. I'll leave the link down below for this one. Again, they can only accept registrations if you are living in Hawaii, even though this is a remote role. And for this one, you need to do a background check and also a drug test. So keep that in mind. Not much more info here on this particular job offer, but they're probably hiring for a specific client and they need people right now. So if you are in Hawaii or you know someone that lives there, be sure to go ahead and forward either the link or this job, or this video rather, to them so they can take a look at this, because this may be something that they are actually interested in doing. Now, just in case you guys have never heard about Omni Interactions before, I have covered them before, but just to give you guys an idea, they are listed here on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 3.3 out of 5 stars, so fairly good. Over 500 reviews here, so you can read up on what people had to say about working here. Also over 570 reported salaries here as well. We already know what these jobs pay, customer service, but you could look at what other people reported making for these roles. So based on over 155 salaries here, or based on over 200 salaries rather, they're making roughly $35,000 to $36,000 per year, ranges anywhere from $32,000 to $40,000. So again, that falls right in line with the rate of pay that we saw here, which was $14 to $20 per hour, plus incentives that you could earn that could make you even more. So if you'd like to apply, links down below. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.